And I'm freezing cold. My car is stuck. And I'm walking. I have a bag on my back under my jacket. Can't see is a computer and heavy. It's like 12 o'clock now. I probably won't make it home till about. If anybody know where I'm walking from Cascade Road all the way to where Lakewood Amphitheater is, Pryor Road. 25-degree weather. Tired, cold, hungry. Want to get home to my journey yet. I'm not looking crazy, but I'm trying to make it. It's freezing. You hear my feet, ice. Made it to a light, my first light. I'm on a long, dark road. Hopefully you can see me. Hair wet. Got on the hat, but it ain't working. Nothing's working. If you can see all the way down there, a never-ending turn. Not even a part of the way home. I was gonna turn around and go back to work. So hopefully I'll make it. I'm out of here. I guess I'll get with y'all when I get almost there. Peace. Still walking. Made it to a main road at least. I got another about 15 to 17 miles to go. If you can see, probably can't see it, but it's coming down. Pieces of ice. I know somebody that live like right around the corner from here. My play aunt. I couldn't make the full walk. Snow started coming down harder and harder. I'm tired. I've been at work for 13 hours. I just couldn't make it. I wanted to, I tried, but I'm still not even halfway into the walk, and it's freezing cold. So I'm gonna try to get out the elements for a second and see where the journey takes me. Jesus Christmas, it's freezing. I should have stayed at work, but I hate that place so much I had to walk. Ain't that something? Snow is still coming down, if you can see. Now it's like a sort of like ice-like. So everything's wet. I'm gonna try to stop here. Hopefully I can rest off for a minute and I'll try my journey again. Peace. I'm out. It stopped snowing. Now it's just sleeting, like a sleet rain. It's about 3 o'clock. As you seen, I stopped, got some noodles. It was nasty, but I needed the energy. So I'm still on the grind, walking. After doing 13 hours at work, trying to make it home, then I still gotta walk to get the car because my faithful buddy Mac, partner in crime, my right hand, chickened out and got scared, left the car on the side of the road. So hopefully the car still be there. Let you get a look at me. I am beat. Hopefully the car still be there. As you see, I'm carrying a big bag on my back, so that's weighing me down just as well. But I probably only got about another hour or so to go. The temperatures just dropped. It's like extremely cold now. That's the only problem. If it wasn't so cold, it wouldn't be too bad. Damn, here go an 18-wheeler. I want to get out of his way because he might be stupid and don't know how to drive. Because he's going fast as hell in this weather. He'll mess around and jackknife. Old Kroger, gotta get their food. Rain, hail, snow, and sleet. They go to Georgia Department of Transportation. Some suckers could have gave me a ride. They ain't doing nothing but riding down the street drinking beer. But like I said, it ain't too far now. It's just, you can look up there at the light and see the sleet coming down. It ain't too far, but the temperature is drastically dropping. So I'll get back when I'm almost there. But the journey is almost over. Iceberg too. Winter storm. I'd have never been able to walk on this highway regularly because it would have been so many cars and stuff out. But by the storm, I came in. You got it. Yeah, boy. Trying to hump it home. I'll be there shortly in some warmth. Then I gotta go get the car. Well, I tell you, this has been a one thick journey. It's a far walk in the cold. Get it to you in a minute. My hands getting cold. Well, I'm finally off the highway. I don't know where I'm at though. I took some what appeared to be a shortcut. It got me off the highway. So now I'm hoping this will put me closer to where the hell I'm trying to be. Because that highway wasn't a joke. Now, as you see, if you can see, on an empty road, that way where the highway was, I cut through there. There was some little hole in the fence. I hope this don't put me further away from where I need to be while I'm thinking I'm taking a shortcut. I've never been down this street. I don't know where the hell I'm at. So just hopefully it'll bring me out to somewhere where I need to be, or close to where I need to be. Still coming down, as you can see, if you can see. It's coming down a little harder now. Looks like snow mixed with sleet. The temperature's dropping down to about 17 degrees. The wind is blowing. I got one glove, mind you. I only had one glove. I didn't know where the other glove was. But I said, I'm out of here. I'm a troop it. Stupid. Worst mistake of my life. Shouldn't have never did that. But with bring me a little bit closer. Good. I can see the light of the day. You see all those little lights way over there that goddamn hill? That's where I got me a whole lot closer than if I would have kept taking the seen it from this side though. I've always seen it from the other side. Everything look a little different now, covered in white. But it won't be too much longer now. I gotta go up a hill, down a hill, up a hill, around the corner. I say another 45 minutes. I should be there. So everything is covered. Pure white. Still gotta go get the car. The second journey, because the first one, I was just saying to y'all that I wasn't too far. I mean, I wasn't even into my walk, but now, oh yeah, you see that? I can see some light now. It's cold as a witch's titty in a brass bra. Somebody left a nice BMW there too. I don't think I would have did that. But I guess they had to abandon that thing. Couldn't get up that hill. So, well people, I'm almost there. When I get a little closer, I'll holler back, but my hand getting cold. Signing off. Almost home. Just to show you. I had to jump this fence from down there. This fence, I'm on my way. Still got 4 minutes to go, but I made it, god damn it. I'm here. Looking crazy, frostbitten. My computer might not work no more, but I'm here.